guys, it's Halloween again, so I'm going to do my face makeup. This year, my husband and 2-year-old daughter are going as Edgar Allen Poe and the Freaky Ravens. All right, let me get started. For me, I think I might just use basic makeup. I'm gonna be using like this kind of eyeshadow. What is this? Fantasy, changeable fantasy. I did some drawings. And let me get started.
Start by covering your eyelids with purple eyeshadow. Next, add blues to the inside of your eyelid and under your eye. Outline your lips with liquid eyeliner and fill them in with eyeshadow. Create cheek shadows with black eyeshadow.
Hey, here's my hubby. I'm doing his face like Edgar Allen Poe.
Start with watered-down white face paint to cover your face, including your lips. Next, fill in your eyelids, under your eyes, cheek shadows with purple. Also add purple to your smile lines and frown lines. Then blend in red under your eyes. Then just use black to paint on eyebrows and a mustache.
So beautiful. Here it is. Wow, 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 wow. And there's the little one. And there's the big one. Woo! Ready to go.
This grand, fantastic library calls my name every day. What makes this event so special is the passion that people bring to donning themselves in a costume that has a literary reference.
What's the name of your character?
Frankenstein.
And his what?
Frankenstein's bride.
Wow. Excellent. Look at this makeup. I see all the stitches and everything. Fantastic. Good luck with the contest.